Hi, I'm Kayla, Product Manager at Federal Signal, and I'd like to talk to you about our IP69K products. IP69K is the highest rating on the IP rating scale, and Federal Signal has over 700 SKUs that are IP69K compliant. This rating was designed for products that are regularly exposed to high pressure and high temperature washdowns. And ideal applications include food and beverage, wastewater, pharmaceutical, marine, medical facilities, and medical equipment manufacturers. Our IP69K compliant products help reduce failures due to water and dust ingress, increasing productivity and reducing downtime. In order to meet the IP69K standards, our products endured the following testing. For the IP6K dust test, our units were tested in an Arizona A2 dust chamber for 6 seconds at a time every 15 minutes for 5 hours. For the IP9K water testing, our products were tested with high-pressure steam jet cleaning water sprays of 1,160 to 1,450 psi every 30 seconds. The water is sprayed from 4 different angles at a distance of 4 to 6 inches and temperatures of 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. IP69K ensures the highest confidence in the harshest environments where cleanliness and sanitation are required. For additional information on our IP69K products, visit our website at fedsig.com.